In the previous lecture, we learned about font size. In this lecture, we're going to learn about font style. So the font style specifies the font style for a font. There is 6 values: normal, italic, oblique, inherit, initial, and unset. But for this course, I will only go over the first 3 of them, which is normal, italic, and oblique. In our HTML document, we're going to get rid of this, and I'm going to leave just one element there, and I'm going to remove the class, and I'm going to change the text also. I'm going to say this element will have will have a font style specified. And I'm just gonna copy the text and paste it, I don't know, like 3 times or 4 times. Okay, then save it and go to the CSS file, and in there I'm gonna type P. I'm gonna target the P element, the P tag, and I'm gonna type font style, and the first one we're gonna look at is normal. Okay, so the normal value is basically the default font style from the browser. Okay, so let's save it and let's see the results. Okay, uh, okay, so this is just the normal font style. Okay, now let's change it to italic, but I'm explaining the italic value sets an italic font style, but only if there is a version available for the font. If the browser doesn't find the italic version, the oblique version is used instead. Okay, and if neither are available, then the browser will artificially reproduce it. Okay, so let's add italic, save it, refresh. Okay, the italic value has been added here. Now let's change it to oblique. And again, it's the same thing, okay? The same way around applies to the oblique value. It sets an oblique font style if there's a version available for the font. And if the browser doesn't find an oblique version, then an italic version is used instead. If neither are available, the browser will artificially reproduce it. Okay, now let's refresh. And the italic and oblique are almost identical. So, if we want to remove the whole, if we want to remove the font style completely, and then we save it and refresh it, then you're gonna see that the normal font style is applied. Okay, that's just the default. That is the default font style from the browser. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're gonna look at font weight property.